Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? F plus owl, foul. B plus all, ball, foul ball. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's your host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Susan says, nice suit. So why don't I introduce our returning champion first? Her name is Susan Lewis, and on yesterday's program, she won $2,578 in prizes. We're delighted to have you back.
Good to be back.
It's fun to win, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes.
All righty, let's take a look now at your challenger. Michael, is it Reiter or Richter?
It's Reiter.
Reiter. How are you, Michael?
Very good.
Good to meet you. What do you do? Where are you from? Tell me about yourself, in other words.
Okay, in a nutshell, I live in Anaheim, and I'm a manager at a restaurant at a major amusement park, but it's not the one you think.
Ah, does it start with the letter K?
You're close. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's as far as I go. I'm not allowed to guess more than once.
I didn't tell.
So let's go over here, and we will show you and tell you about one of the prizes.
This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system and in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls and a solid-state meal timer clock furnished by Whirlpool. Alex.
Great set of appliances, and we'll show Michael and Susan where they can be found on the board. Bottom of the middle column, number 23 for the complete kitchen. We also have a Holiday Inn Bermuda, and Michael, you go first.
Wow, Bermuda.
You pick first.
Okay, I'd like to start with my son's birthday, number 9, please.
Red tape.
Oh, can never get enough of those. How about number 12?
Home security system. No match. Susan.
Okay, that kitchen has potential for the future, so let's take a look at number 5.
Limited edition artwork.
Very nice. I'd like to have that. Let's look for a match or wild card behind number 16.
Wild card, so you're going to get a shot at the limited edition artwork. That's a great addition to your home also. The other one is just above the wild card at position number 11. So you're getting a look at 2 pieces on the left side of the puzzle and 1 in that upper right-hand corner. It's usually not enough, but you never know. Try it again, Susan.
Okay, Bermuda or that kitchen, either or, behind number 7.
Diamond earrings.
Oh, well, jewelry is always a must in my ensemble. So let's see if we can find a match or a wild card behind number 25.
Green take, no match. Michael?
Okay. How about the top of the board, number 3, please?
Wild card is
all right. I want to go to Bermuda. Number 9, please.
Number 9 for Bermuda? No, it's a red tape. The other red tape is at number 18. Put it down here for you. Susan has the limited edition artwork. Somehow I don't think you want to grab that now, but I may be wrong.
No. The rate I'm going, I might have to take Bermuda from her.
All righty. Let's open up these 3 panels for Michael Reiter. Pick again.
Okay. Number 21, please.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings. Okay. And number 15, please.
No, that's Bermuda.
Oh.
Susan.
We have a potential match here. I'm going to see if my memory's any good here. Number 20?
Home security system.
Okay, well, that's...
So much for your memory.
Yeah. Let's look for a match to that security system behind number 7.
No, those are the diamond earrings. Michael?
Okay. Did we see the home security system under number 17?
No, but that's a wild card.
Okay. I'm going to change my mind. I hate to do this, but I blew it on Bermuda before. I'm going to go for the kitchen ensemble under number 23.
All right. Complete kitchen, that's a good prize. The other complete kitchen on the top at number 2. 3 panels opening up for Michael.
Still a little too early.
All right, go again.
Okay. Now, we did see something else on there before. Was that number 21, please?
Well, that's the diamond earrings.
And was the match for that on number 7?
Those are the diamond earrings also.
My wife is going to love those.
Yeah. And Susan still has that limited edition artwork should you choose to exercise the take you have.
That's a tough choice, but no, I'll hang on to the take. Thanks, Alex.
Then let's open the doors. Select again, please.
Okay. To the top of the board, number 1, please.
Chinese porcelain lamps.
And something we haven't seen before, number 20.
Home security system. Oh. Susan, back to you.
Looking for a match behind number 12, please.
You're looking for Bermuda is what you're looking
And
for.
the match
no,
to
you
the
got
home
the
security system behind number 20.
12 and 20 makes it a match, yes. I figured you're going to find Bermuda.
That's next.
That's next?
Yeah.
Well, let's take a look here at what this reveals. Go again.
Okay, looking for Bermuda. Let's see what's behind number 8, please.
Chinese porcelain lamps.
The match to the porcelain lamps is behind number 1.
Chinese porcelain lamps, yes. Open it up for her. Pick again.
Okay, let's take a look at what's behind number 4, please, Alec.
His and her 10-speed bikes.
We haven't seen that, and I don't know whether there's a wild card still out there. I lost track. But let's see what's behind number 13, please.
Picnic basket. You could take that with you when you ride your 10-speed bikes. Michael.
That's true. Okay, number 24, please.
Bermuda.
Bermuda, okay. Was that under number 15?
Yes.
Yes.
And Michael, of course, has the red take in front of him to use as protection. But now, you may want to change your strategy. She still has the limited edition artwork, but in addition, she's got some other prizes up there that might be of interest to you.
Oh, gosh.
We're getting down to the end of this puzzle.
I could use a home security system, but I want to hang on to it a little bit longer.
Just a little longer? All right. 2 doors opening up. This might be enough, you know.
Is it a hero's welcome?
Is it a hero's welcome? Well, you missed out on one potential prize, but you won the game, and that's good news.
I just wanted to solve the puzzle.
Let's go to the board, Michael.
Okay, here we had A, H, and I wasn't sure what this was at all, but now I see the ear and the rose for a heroes. And Jack and Jill are going up the hill to fetch a pail of water at the well. And here we have a rooster's comb for welcome, a hero's welcome.
Hero's welcome. Nicely done. You are the conquering hero right now. And you have just delivered a crushing blow to Susan because 2 strikes against her means we have to say goodbye. And I'm sorry about that. But you did win quite a bit in prizes, and we offer our congratulations for that. And good luck with the little one. Take care, Susan. So long. All righty, now let's find out about your prizes from Gene. Go, Gene.
Diamond earrings. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, elegant diamond earrings crafted in 14-karat gold. These stunning earrings sparkle with 10 brilliant diamonds furnished by Kay Jewelers. And Bermuda!
More valuable.
We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend the week at the Elbow Beach Hotel. Enjoy the sparkling aquamarine ocean and endless pink sand beach. Superb dining, dancing, and entertainment. Furnished by the Elbow Beach Hotel. And, of course, the handsome, complete kitchen. And, Mike, these prizes are worth, and it's a big number, $7,554.
It is a big number indeed. That complete kitchen is a very costly one, and the holiday in Bermuda is expensive as well. And $7,500 for you, and the chance to win a brand new car as well when we return following this short break. Michael Reiter is in the winner's circle, and he gets his first chance to play for a brand new car. 15 numbered squares coming up on the screen. 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck, Michael. Go for it.
1, 2.
Nope.
1, 3.
No.
4, 5.
Nope.
6, 5.
No.
7, 5.
Right.
6, 3.
Yes.
8, 9,
No.
1, 9,
Right.
10, 12,
No.
4, 12,
Right.
13, 8,
No.
15, 10,
Yes.
13, 14,
No.
14.
You were going to say 14-8, right? Make that match and then be one card
I
short.
almost said 3, 2, 3, but that wouldn't work.
That would take too long. But that's all right. $7,554.
Not a bad start.
That's a great start. Never mind, not a bad start. That's a terrific start. And you get to continue as the champion.
Feel better?
Yep. We'll have a new player to introduce. Have this. Here's the new player we promised you. His name is Bruce Johnson, and he is about to tell us a little bit about himself.
Well, I'm a writer, I'm a photographer.
What kind of writing do you do?
Well, travel mostly.
Yeah?
I'm on my way right now around the world by motorcycle.
By motorcycle?
Yeah, yeah.
There are a few oceans that are going to get in the way.
Well, I'm going down to Argentina and then shipping it to North Africa and going to keep going.
I see. What kind of bike you driving?
It's a, can I mention? It's a BMW R100.
Big Beamer.
Big Beamer,
Big
yeah, it's
Beamer.
got 1,000.
Solid stuff.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to play our game?
You bet. You bet.
Okay, maybe we can accommodate you and you win a trip and you can put your motorcycle on the plane. Meanwhile, enjoy yourself with this prize.
Sharp's 120-watt per channel stereo rack system with 12-inch three-way speakers and rear surround sound speakers and 39-key remote control furnished by Sharp. Alex.
Marjorie's a who, isn't she? Marjorie, I got to tell you, in one of those shots, you leaned down and you went from 32 to about a 38. Easy. That's it. Let's show Bruce and Michael where they can find that prize on the board. Number 4, I've got to get one of those things. Okay, you know where the prize is? We have a Caribbean cruise in this game, gentlemen. We have $900 in the cash pot, and Bruce, you get to pick, and there is but one wild card to help you.
Well, I think I'm motivated by money for my trip, so I'd like to find that cash pot. Could I look behind number 1, please?
Certainly. We've got his and her diamond watches.
That'd be all right. Could I find the wild card or a match for that under number 21, please?
China service for 8. Michael?
Okay, I'd like to start in the middle, number 13, please.
Caribbean
Oh,
cruise.
fantastic. Well, if I could find the other cruise or that one wild card under number 20.
You'd be a happy man, but it's an electric guitar. Bruce?
I'd like to have that guitar, too. That'd be fun. Could I see behind number 25, please?
Slide projector.
I'd take a lot of pictures. That'd be good for me, yeah. And how about number 5 up in the corner for wild card or match?
No, washer and dryer. Michael?
Okay. Could I go to number 22, please?
Man's complete wardrobe.
And maybe a match or a wild card under number 4.
Oh, stereo system. Bruce?
Not helping me much here, Michael. Could I have a look behind number 23, please?
Entertainment center.
And how about the match for that on number 4, please?
No, that's a stereo
I could
system.
put the stereo system on the
You
entertainment
could
center.
put the stereo system in the
yeah.
entertainment center, but the stereo system also comes with its own little cabinet. So, Bruce, you missed. Michael goes.
Okay, number 17, please.
Washer and dryer.
And did we see the match for that under number 5?
We did, indeed. And that is an answer in this game for Michael. Take a look.
Nothing yet.
Pick again.
Number 19, please.
Man's complete wardrobe. Now, I don't know what they mean by complete wardrobe.
Well, I sure need socks. You think it includes socks?
I don't know.
Okay, 22, please.
22 will make the match, and it probably has lots of nice things.
I can
Open it
use
up.
everything.
Pick again.
Okay. How about number 9, please?
Entertainment center.
And was the match for that under number 23?
Entertainment center. Yes, indeed, Bruce. Your comment is right on. He is tough. 2 more doors swinging open for Michael. Try it again.
Okay. Let's open up some of the other side of the board. Number 6, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, great. Fantastic.
I think we're up to about $900.
That would be excellent. Number 15, please.
China service for 8. No match there. Bruce, you could make a match.
I could if I could remember where the China service was. How about number 24? 20, please.
20? No, that's the
So
electric guitar that you
yeah.
kind of liked.
How about number 16, please?
Cash pot. No match. Michael.
Okay, was the cash pot under number 6?
Yes?
And for the match, number 16, please?
That's it? Either you're doing it for yourself or you're getting Bruce to help you, but either way, it's working.
What a buddy.
Yes, what a pal, what a guy. Open these two panels for Michael. So far, Michael, you've got all of the prizes in your prize column, and you're in control of the board, so
Okay,
make another
I hope
match
I can
and
make
keep
another
it going.
match. Number 21, please.
How about the China
And
service
was the
rate?
match for that under 15?
Yes. Take a look once again. Pick again.
Okay, number 2, please.
Caribbean Cruise.
And the match for that under number 13?
They never forget.
Not
Contestants never forget where the trips
That
are.
would be fantastic.
All right. Big payoff possibility for you, Michael. Big payoff. Big payoff. Pick
Okay.
again.
Number 25, please.
Slide projector.
Okay, we saw that before, but that was the one it was under. How about number 11, please?
Wild card, and he's staying alive. Other slide projector. Top line, number 3. Open it up.
Is it do your duty?
I think this man is going on a cruise. Do your duty. Way to go, Michael. Good game indeed. Now, do your duty, come to the board and explain the puzzle. That's all we ask of you.
Okay, I knew the do very early. The do is at the bottom here, but I thought it was do we, but this is Y and or for your, do, your, more do, and you swinging off a T, do, T, do your duty.
A lot of dues up there. You paid your dues on that one. Nicely done. You did it well indeed. Bruce, 1 X in front of you, that's all. You had no prizes, so you didn't lose anything, so don't feel too badly about it. You'll get to play again in the next contest.
Yeah,
We'll see you then. Michael, come here. Stand close so they can get a close-up shot of you enjoying these prizes.
A cash pot worth $900, a slide projector, China service for 8, and the man's complete wardrobe. Botany 500 apparel and accessories, a full range of fashionable clothing for today's man, from head to toe, and for indoors and outdoors, furnished by Botany 500. And an entertainment center, Ashley's 5-piece bar display and entertainment cabinet designed in smart contemporary white, super gloss finish with brass finish accents, world-class furniture furnished by Ashley, and a washer and dryer. Gibson's Washmaster automatic washer, designed to save time and energy, plus a matching dryer with vacuum dry system designed for energy-efficient drying power, furnished by Gibson. And a Caribbean Cruise. Yo-ho! We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer Barefoot Cruise. Casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and landlubbers. Take off your shoes and sail away to paradise, furnished by Windjammer Barefoot Cruises. And Mike, this is a prize package totaling, and you really doed it, $7,179.
That's 2 $7,000 wins for you, isn't it? Lucky 7 indeed. Yes, and the possibility of an additional $7,000 and maybe more by winning a brand new car. You'll get your chance when we come back following these messages.
Next.
You're going to be enjoying yourself in the sun in the Atlantic. You've got a Caribbean cruise, and then you've got a holiday in Bermuda, a lot of other prizes, over $14,000, and now you could do yourself a world of good by winning a brand new car.
Excellent chance.
Okay, here we go. 15 numbered squares. We're adding 5 seconds to base time, so you're going to have 40 seconds in which to accomplish that wonderful feat. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
9, 10,
No.
2, 10,
Right.
11, 3,
Yes.
12, 7,
Yes.
13, 4,
No.
14, 1,
No.
15, 1,
No.
6, 13,
Nope.
8, 4,
Nope.
14.
You know, the 1-6 was the Festiva, and you missed it.
I went through there.
You went through all the numbers the
Went a
first
long way
time.
with nothing.
And yeah, you didn't make a match, but there was one there, the Festiva, at the 1 and 6 positions. And then when you started going back looking, you didn't make it. But you wound up with $14,733. We'll take a break. Gene, talk to us.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Hey, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.